Hello everyone, this is Ashwath Raj. I'm a student from Tech University and I'm here to present a presentation on my internship in SANY Heavy Industries, Hunan, China. My internship was in the road construction department. So what are roads? Roads are routes that connect two pieces of land. Its definition is a thoroughfare, route or way on land between two places. There are a lot of different materials that are used for the construction of roads. One of the basic and most commonly used materials are asphalt. In other areas, cement is also a major product used in the construction of roads. And for the construction of roads, road machinery is used. And SANY manufactures road machineries which are of top quality, and they are very successful all over the world. So let me introduce SANY Heavy Industries. It is a multinational heavy manufacturing machinery company, which was until a few years back the number one construction equipment manufacturing country in the world, which is it was headquartered in Changsha, Hunan, China. Now its headquarters has been shifted to Beijing. It is one of the FT Global 500 companies and was among the Forbes Global 2000 rankings. It is its major shareholder and the guy who is said to be the mastermind and the guy who runs the company is Liang Wenken. He is one of the top most richest people in China. They are into heavy industries manufacturing, industries equipment manufacturing, including road construction machinery, port operation machinery, construction machinery, cranes, trucks, you name it, SANY does it. Some of the main products manufactured by SANY are concrete machinery, excavator crawler cranes, truck cranes, pile driving machinery, road construction machinery, port machinery, and because of the growth in green energy, it is also going into environmentally friendly manufacturing techniques, electricity production techniques, starting with wind turbine. It is also planning to expand into other other sources of green electricity production, including solar panels. So I did my internship in road construction machinery, as I told you earlier. This is just an introduction about road construction. Let me move forward. The four main products manufactured by SANY's road construction machinery department are paver, grader, roller and spreader. You can see the pictures of some of the SANY products. Let me start with paver. A paver, as the name suggests, is an equipment used to lay asphalt on roads. The asphalt is dumped into that U-shaped container from a dump truck, and when the machine runs, it sprinkles. It lays a layer of asphalt over the surface, and the back part is called the free floating screen. It is used to create a uniform. It is used to maintain uniformity along the surface of the asphalt spread on the surface. That's about it. And the next product is grader. Grader actually is more complex and a better form of spreading the asphalt evenly on the ground. The grader does nothing but spread asphalt in a leveled manner. As you can see, there are blades attached on the machine which is used to spread the asphalt uniformly along the surface. Next one is roller. It is most commonly rolled as a road roller all over the world. It is used to compact the asphalt on the surface, pack it tightly. This is done by the main roller. You can see in the front part here. It is very heavy and it is used to compact the asphalt and lay it tightly so that natural weathering doesn't affect it. Yeah, the spreader also spreads the asphalt actually. Tar, it is also known as tar spreader. It is used to spread tar on roads. My internship was done at the purchasing department of the road construction machinery. You know that no company, any company in the world, around the world, no company manufacturing company, can produce each and every product that is needed to, finish, roll out the completed product. When you manufacture a car, you can't manufacture everything from nuts to bolts to the suspension to the engine. Everything cannot be done by the same company. Things have to be bought from other companies and incorporated into your design and manufactured, and then the end product rolls out. The case is same with SANY. They buy engines from. They have their own engines, but European countries which place orders in SANY actually ask for specifically for engines from top manufacturers like Volvo and Benz, and purchasing department takes care of placing orders, acquiring the necessary products, parts that are required for the manufacturing, and storage, inventory, maintaining logistics. Everything is done by the purchasing department. To give you an introduction, let's start with the pre-sale statement. Pre-sale statement, what does it mean? Pre-sale means before you proceed into buying a product from another company, the pre-sale statement has to be done. That consists of three parts: a letter first, which gives the reason for the statement, and the form where the buyer, the sellers, when SANY places the order, the company, for example, it buys parts from Deutz, Germany. The form is sent to the company, and the department there enters the values and the information in the Excel form that is sent, and then it is sent back. And along with this form, an explanation is sent on how to use the form. And first, let's talk about a contract. What is a contract? Contract is a binding covenant between two people, right? It is very important to do it between companies which are doing business together, because you never know what will go wrong. So the first thing about a contract, is the price, the lead time and quality. First, there are a lot of steps that has to be done in order to draft the contract. First, the contract is designed, then it is approved by the team leader, and then he forwards it to the director of purchasing, who does that. Who clears it, looks at everything and then clears it. If the cost of the product they are buying is less than 200,000 yuan, it is passed on to the manager, and the approval comes and the contract is effective. But if it's more than 200,000 yuan, it is sent to a review committee which reviews it and then decides if the product is needed and stuff, and then comes back to the purchasing department, and the contract becomes effective. What is a contract format? Format of the contract has the following things. The contract has the following things. There is the contract number and the place and the date. And an example is buyer and the email ID of the buyer is given. For example, here it's SANY Road Machinery Corporation Limited, and the team leader is Russell Luo, so his email ID is given there, and the seller is Jules AG, which is based in Germany, so its information is given. The first point is the commodity specifications, quantity and unit price and total amount is mentioned. Second is engine supply specifications. Next is country of origin and supply, time of shipment, port of shipment, destined port, insurance, packing, shipment mark, terms of shipment, terms of payment, documents, shipping advice, guarantee of quality, claims for mature, late delivery and penalty, arbitration, language of contract. All this is mentioned in the contract. It has to be clear, in order for a business to flourish. Contacts and the way they maintain the contracts has to be very clear in order to avoid legal obstacles, So I also studied a little bit about port machinery when I was there. I attended class of 2 weeks. Most of them was like in-depth knowledge into the mechanics and the electrical systems and in the port machinery. But let me give you an overall look at the port machinery department of the SANY heavy industry. First of all, the most important and the most highly rolling out product from port machinery and SANY is the reed stacker. Reed stacker is used in ports. It is used to lift containers which are very heavy, maybe lots of hundreds of tons, mid-sized, and it is usually medium-sized containers. That is what the SANY looks into. So this product lifts containers and stacks it up. That is why it's called reed stacker. Next one is empty container handler. So you don't need when you're going to handle empty containers, you don't need an equipment which is as powerful as one needed to lift heavy equipments, right? So you go for the empty container handler, which basically works in the same principle, but the engine part, the hydraulic part, motor, pump, everything is a little scaled down. So it is used to, the empty container handler is used to lift and stack up empty containers. So next one is the yard crane. The yard crane is used to lift heavy, same thing in a large scale. Reed stacker, you can do it one at a time and short distances, but cranes can do it over long distances, and it's very important because a lot of it's very heavy, and yard cranes can also reach into ships and unload and dock the containers on and off the ship. And there is a specific type of yard crane called the ship-to-shore crane. As the name should suggest, it's used to take the container from the ship to the ship. Yeah, conclusion is road construction machinery. That's all we studied about. So overall, SANY is very, very good and a hard-working company, and it shows results. Its motto is quality changes the world, and you can see the quality in all the products they manufacture. That's the end of the presentation. Thank you.